Good morning, teacher, and good morning, everyone. My name is Cristian Medina. I study English education at Secretary University. I live in Megange. Megange is a very small town in Bolívar, near Cartagena City. Uh, in this video, tell I'm gonna tell you about my wishes using the structure I wish plus simple past or past simple. So here I go. I made a list of 10 or 9 wishes that I want to make true. So you can see the list on the screen of my computer. And the first wish is I wish I were younger. The second one is I wish I had a lot of money to travel around the world and buy a house for my mom. Uh, that would be amazing. I wish I spoke English fluently. This is one of my biggest wishes. I really want to speak English fluently, and I know that I will get it soon, very soon. I wish I could go abroad next vacation. Yes, I want to have a good time on my next vacation. I want to go somewhere. I wish I lived in England to improve my English. I wish I had a car to go anywhere. I wish I met Cristiano Ronaldo to ask him some questions. I wish I had a better job to get a better payment. And I'm working. I have a good job, but the payment is not good. That's why I said that I would like to get a better job to get a better payment as well. I wish I were the mayor of my homeland to do something for those who are less fortunate. In my town, the place where I live, there are many poor people, and there are many people who don't have a roof to live in. And, and that makes me feel really sad. That's why I said I wish I were the mayor to do something for them, to help them because I know they live really badly on the streets and sometimes they don't have anything to eat. Uh, the my last wish is I wish I played the guitar because it's my favorite instrument. That's right. Uh, I like to learn how to play the guitar, even though I don't have guitar in my house. So I have to buy it and then I'll have to learn. So teacher, this is all about this video. I hope you like it and I hope you can watch this video next time. See you next time. Bye bye.